all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by a series of question sets of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003. Questions only can give us freedom from our mental cages. So, never stop questioning. Okay, so with this beautiful thought, let us continue our journey in the question series. Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPR. Okay, now let us look at the picture here. So in the picture we can see there is a letter pad, there is a writing instrument, and someone is trying to write something. Fine. So we can say this can be a letter of request, this can be an application for request, etc., etc. Okay. So actually why this picture is indicated here, because today we are going to deal with a different form, and the form number is form number 12, whose title is request for grant of patent. Okay, and for this thing we require to apply for the same via an application. Okay, and this is done via form number 12. Okay, so we can see one thing here. See, just observe. The letters are emerging. This is just a symbol. Here, in the form of letters, the person is going to request for something. And specifically here, this is the request for grant of patent via form number 12. Fine, let us proceed. So the next form is form 12. The title is request for grant of patent. Fine, and here the related sections are 26 and 52, and related rules are 63A and rule 79. So what are these sections? Section 26 subsection 1 and section 52 subsection 2. So section 22, we can say the title of section 20, sorry, the section is section 26. The title of section 26 is, in case of obtaining, controller may treat the patent as the patent of the opponent. Fine. And section 52 says, or we can say the title is, grant of patent to true and first inventor where it has been obtained by another in fraud of him. Okay, we can say a type of we can say grant of patent is done to the true and first inventor, that means the deserved one. Fine. So, and to protect him or her from the fraud. Okay, and similarly the related rules are so rule number 63A, whose title is request made under section 26 subsection 1, and rule number 79 is request under section 52 subsection 2. So in this way all these things are related. That means the form, the sections, and the rules. So what is the keyword here? The keyword here is the grant of patent, and we have discussed here the conditions and all those requirements needed to establish the relation between these three, and this is done in form 12. Okay, so next we can go to form number. Friends, after refreshing our memory from the old slide where we had established a relationship between form number 12 and its relevant sections and rules, let us continue with our question series. Okay, so question number 1 is, in cases of obtaining, controller may treat the patent as the patent of the opponent. Is the subject matter addressed in which section of the Patents Act 1970? Okay, that means this title belongs to what section? Okay, so the answer is section 26. So please refer section 26 of the Patents Act 1970. Fine, let us proceed. Question number 2. If in any opposition proceeding, the controller finds that a part of an invention described in the complete specification was so obtained from the opponent, he may pass an order requiring that the specification be amended by the inclusion of that part of the invention. True or false? Okay. So, friends, here you can see the question is like, if in any opposition proceeding, that means there is an opposition proceeding where the controller finds that a part of the invention described in the specification, that is complete specification, is obtained from the opponent, then he, that means the controller, may pass an order requiring that the specification is to be amended by the inclusion of that part of the invention. Okay, friends. So here, yes, when we observe this statement is wrong. That means false. Okay. So the answer is false. But this statement can be corrected when uh, we can just substitute this term inclusion by exclusion. Then the whole statement will be correct. Fine. So this term, that means just a second, inclusion, this has to be substituted by the term exclusion. Okay, just a second. Fine now? Okay. So please refer section 26 subsection 1 clause B of the Patents Act 1970. Fine? Okay. So let us proceed. Question number 3. Section 26 provides specific rules for the case where the opposition was successful on the grounds that the claimed invention was wrongfully obtained from the opponent. Is it true? That means, as a whole, we can say the gist of the section 26 is mentioned here. So yes, the statement is absolutely correct. So the answer is yes, true. Fine. So please refer section 26 of the Patents Act 1970. Question number 4. Which rule of the Patents Rules 2003 is closely related to section 26? Answer is rule number 63A. Okay. So please refer section 26 subsection 1 of the Patents Act 1970. And what is rule 63A? This is request made under section 26 subsection 1. Fine. Question number 5. Section 26 is newly inserted or substituted with effective from 1st January 2005. The question is either whether it is inserted or substituted. So the answer is substituted. So it is substituted by Act 15 of 2005, Section 23 for Section 26 with effective from 1st January 2005. Okay. Fine. Next, question number 6. Request for grant of patent shall be filed in which form? Okay, so the answer is form number 12. You can just refer, or we can just refer to our old slide where we have mentioned what is form number 12. This is request for grant of patent. Okay, and the relevant sections are 26 and 52, and the relevant rules are 63A and 79. Fine. So form number 12 is briefly it is request for grant of patent, and when we go more specifically, the title is request for grant of patent under section 26 subsection 1 and section 52 subsection 2. Fine. I hope it is clear now. Question number 7. Grant of patent to true and first inventor where it has been obtained by another in fraud of him is the subject matter addressed in which section of the Patents Act 1970? That means, read it again, friends. Grant of patent to true and first inventor where it has been obtained by another in fraud of him. This is the subject matter we can say. So this is addressed where? In section number, that means what is the section number? The answer is section number 52. So please refer section 52 of the Patents Act 1970. Now question number 8. Which rule of the Patents Rules 2003 is closely related to section 52? Answer is rule number 79. So please refer section 52 subsection 2 of the Patents Act 1970, and rule 79 is request under section 52 subsection 2. Fine, let us proceed. Question number 9. Definition of true and false inventor is found in section 2 subsection 1 clause Y. Is it true? Yes, this is true. And for this, to be 100% for your answer, 100% sure for your answer, please refer section 2 subsection 1 clause Y of the Patents Act 1970. And now the final, the most awaited question is question number 10. Just take a look. Where the patent has been revoked under section 64 on the ground that the patent was obtained wrongfully and in contravention of the rights of the petitioner or any person under or through whom he claims, or where in a petition for revocation the appellate board or court, instead of revoking the patent, directs the complete specification to be amended by the exclusion of a claim or claims. Is it true? Yes, the statement is 100% true, so the answer is true. And please refer section 52 subsection 1 of the Patents Act 1970 for the same. And what is section 64 that is mentioned here? Section 64 is revocation of patents. So friends, I hope now it is pretty much clear. So all the 10 questions of this video lecture is completed. Please go through them. Please go through the barrack. If you have any questions, any queries, any comments, any compliments, please put them down in the comment box. Keep learning, keep enjoying. The reference is Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005 and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. Okay friends, thank you all for watching my video and listening to me. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe the channel, and please put down your compliments, comments and queries in the comment box. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.